Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video, we discussed about modules, right? In that video, we discussed about what is module and how to use some basic modules like random module, math module and calendar module, right? That is introduction to module. Make sure you watch that video and come to this video. The link of that video is in description below and above iCard. Please check it out. This is part 2 of modules. In this video, we are going to discuss about see the agenda, how to create our own module and how to use this module in our code. In the previous video, I told you that modules are also Python files. So to create a module, create a Python file and save the Python file as name of our module, whatever name we want to give to our module. I will explain with code, then you will be clear with this concept. Okay, this is my sublime. Okay, I take a new file and I save this as my module name, and I give my module name as module 1. In this my module, I want to create mathematical functionalities like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So I take a function and add. I give my function name as add and it parameters x comma y values to add, and it return x plus y. That's it. This add function. Next, subtraction function. It also take two parameters x comma y and it return x minus y. Okay. Next, I want to get multiplication and x comma y parameters and it return x into y. Finally, division two parameters x comma y and it return divided by y. Right? Now our module is ready. Our next task is we have to use this module in our code, right? So I take another file and I save this as program4.py. I use this module 1 now in my code. You want me to teach more about this Python? Make sure you comment below. Hey, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. To use the module, first we have to import, right? So import my module name, module 1. Okay. And by using the module, I want to perform addition operation. Okay. So yes, result is equal to module 1 dot add, and I give two parameters, right? We have to give two parameters 10, 20. Next, print the result, print yes. Now I run this. See, that is printed. By using the module we perform addition operation. Here we use only add operation, right? So we can do like this also. From module 1 import add. Okay. Now here don't need to give module 1. Okay, I change the values to show the difference. 11, 2. Okay. Now I run this. 13 is printed. Another example, I show all the functionalities in my module 1. Import all the functionalities in module. You can do like this. From module 1 import star. By giving the star, we can import all the functionalities in module 1. Okay. And now I take a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5. Okay. R1 is equal to add a comma b. Okay, right? Next, R2 is equal to subtract a comma b. Next, R3 is equal to multiply a comma b. Next, R4 is equal to division a comma b. Okay. Now I'll put all my results. Print all one and next. Print all two. I'll copy these two lines. I'll paste here and I'll change R2 to R4 and R1 to R3. Now I run this. The values are printed. For addition 15, for subtraction 5, for multiplication 50, and for division 2. Okay, like this we create our own module and we use the module in our code. Okay, that's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you for watching.